Hey, blue team!
Ah, still going down still.
Communism! Boom's the
Communism? No speeding on pit road.
I'm speeding on the black flag.
Wait, how'd you guys get
Black flag.
That'll be a passenger penalty.
Traction.
Oh, God.
With 5 years, what the fuck?
We're on the same team.
What's that mean?
Oh no! Here goes the wall.
Oh no!
Get off the wall! I think we'd have to play grid for that.
But they don't have stock cars.
Grid 2
That's
was
true.
like $1 in the hot.
Oh shit! Agony! Ah!
That's twice now.
Damn! So I hit the brakes.
Yeah, it's a little bit hard.
Fuck!
Break.
I tried to catch you, and then you hit the wall, and then you go out there ahead of me.
Now I can turn. What the hell are you doing?
The car in the middle of the road. Oh, God.
How was Private second all of a sudden?
I have no idea.
I don't know.
I need
35 seconds behind.
Ah! Get out of the road!
Yeah, there was an update to this map.
I'm having to explain why you're yelling. Ludicrous speed. Wait. 10 laps. 10 laps. Oh, damn.
Oh, God.
This is really
Since when did we start on pit road here?
I don't know. Oh, buddy.
Oh, it doesn't.
Wow.
Holy shit!
Holy crap, who just keeps flying across?
81
God.
damage. God damn it.
I had the perfect.
Everybody goes for a swim on the first turn every time. Oh, that's just...
Yeah, that head
Everybody's
landing.
car does, I think.
Yeah, it just goes into the dirt.
Don't, Dacio.
Yo, no! Nitro, what are you doing?
Jesus, somebody hit me.
Yeah?
Somebody hit me and made me go sideways.
Hi, John.
What's up?
You drove right in front of me. What do you want me to do?
Hi there.
I'm dead. Cock.
Oh, back
Whoa.
up. Whoa!
Back up.
I'm sorry.
No.
Oh, that took you down? No! I was full braking that entire time.
You do it run through the forest, Nitro.
Here, how many times can you roll in a row?
Wrecked.
What?
Fuck you, Dacio.
You don't make it.
Oh, Nitro got... Oh, Nitro's wrecked.
Not going the wrong way, I just ran into the wall.
Accelerate.
Oh,
Please no, please no.
oh.
Oh, jeez!
Oh, that could have been way worse.
Hey, hey. The warehouse boys. Hey. The warehouse boys. Sorry, Striker. That was private dude. Wow, private.
Justin!
Oh, I knew that was gonna happen.
Fuck you!
Oh.
Boys, I'm stuck. Oh, you're a dum-dum. Damn it.
Are you freaking kidding me? Stuck on the goddamn wall.
Reset.
Shit.
Oh, ooh.
Coming through, on the right. Oh!
No, you're not.
Oh god.
Hi, dear.
Hi.
White take on 2.
Missed the...
Oh, I missed everybody. And I went off the...
Oh, no, no.
2 to 14? Okay. Here's a blue guy. Here's a blue guy. Hello. Dog.
Blue guy.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Whom's the fuck is the bug?
Yo.
Killed themselves? What's that? What? God, you suck. Oh, wow, we got each other. Oh, Jerry, I am sorry.
It's okay.
What? Takedown assist on the...
Usually when I talk, it happens. It's kind of weird. Aw.
Oh, jeez.
Fly into the air.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Not private.
Yeah!
I mean, question. Oh shit. Question is still there. Have you? Have you? Oh, sorry, I can't hear you. You're below me in the scoreboard.
Oh, the car isn't turning right. Someone broke my right axle.
God damn it! Stop hitting me!
Yeah,
Oh.
but Ikari disappeared afterwards.
What?
You died, didn't you?
No, I'm still alive.
Yes! I took him out! Well, I was braking for Ikari. I kind of.
Is that an excuse I hear?
No, I'm sorry. You're below me in the leaderboard of life.
You're dead.